Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mani, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to announce one of the important course from our academy which is based on the technical knowledge. As you already know, pharma industry has a lot of career opportunities in the industry, in the marketing, in academics, in the clinical research also. But only one domain is there where hands-on experience in the software is needed, because the all work is only on the software. That is called as SAS, statistical analytical software, which is developed by SAS Academy and SAS Institute, which has a important role of cleaning the clinical trial data, like converted into the graphs and in very simpler forms, so that a regulatory authority can easily read it. So it is a FDA approved software. Okay, so if you know that there are a lot of opportunities like in the Python, R, or Power BI, there are a lot of tools are there. Okay, but in the pharma only one tool is important, which is SAS. No other software other has hands-on experiences required. No, there is no any requirement. Only SAS is important, so that you can build your career in the clinical SAS programmer, clinical data analyst is the post. Okay, so if you wish to build your career in the SAS, this course is definitely for you. So let's get started. I will tell you everything about this course, how you can enroll and what are the benefits behind it. Let's get started. First of all, I will tell you the schedule of this course. This is 3 months of the course. So this is weekend session. Okay, weekend batches are there. Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours of the session is there. It is on the online mode. And the next one is when this course is going to start. This is going to start from the 21 July 2024 itself. And the first class is on 21 July, and the next this is ongoing till 3 months. Okay, so what you learn during this? So there are a lot of different topics. In description you will come to know, but if you consider major topics, then base SAS is there, advanced SAS, in advanced SAS SQL and macro is there, and clinical SAS overview. Okay, so let's talk about benefits of this course. First, hands-on training. From the day one itself, we will provide you the software of the SAS, where you will have to be trained. Okay, next one, the trainer are of 10+ year experience, which is a SAS certified, global SAS certified. Okay, so even after this course you will also have to apply for SAS certification. That is like we are based, our syllabus is also covered all the topics which is covered for the global SAS certification. Okay, so you can apply to that as well, and even you can apply for the job also. Next is this is online, so that you can access from anywhere. And the next one is we will provide you soft skill development training, means interview preparation, resume preparation likewise, and at the end placement assistance, 100% placement assistance we provide you through this course. Okay, so how you can enroll for this course? So what is the course fee? The course fee is the 30,000. Okay, yeah, as our academy provides courses as most affordable prices, we try ourselves best to provide this course at minimum price also. As you know, it is a technical domain and the fees is very huge, so that everyone can able to afford. That is why we are trying to keep the fees minimum. So the fees of this course is 30,000, right? But still you have a good news. If you enroll for this course before 15 of July 2024, the fees will be 25,000. Yes, 5,000 off you will get if you enroll earliest. Okay, so take the benefits of this. Who is eligible for this course? Anyone, like B.Pharm or even engineering student, or even any kind of the graduate student can able to apply. Any kind of the graduate student can able to apply for this course. Okay, so how you can enroll? In the description I provide you one link of ResoPlay. Click there. Okay, you will get enrolled, and then you can share your details like your name, email ID, qualification and location to this number. Once you pay, you can also pay to this number online. Okay, directly through Google Pay, Phone Pay, so that again you can able to enroll. If you still have any query, any doubt, call to this number, or in the description I provided the Google form. You can fill it. Our executive will call you and assist you accordingly. Some questions. Now we'll take some questions which are very important. So first question is what will be your position after getting in like after completing this course and you will get job? The position will be clinical SAS analyst, clinical SAS programmer, SAS programmer. Okay, so you will work on the SAS software itself and where clinical data you have to handle. And which are the organizations provide you the jobs? Mostly CROs, contract research organization like IQVIA, like Fortria, like Paraxel, even some healthcare IT companies like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture can also provide opportunities for you. What should be the package? Package will be different from company to company. 3.6 LPA to 4.8 LPA you can get on fresher level. Okay, at fresher level. After after experience you will get a good hike, because as it is a technical domain there are very less saturation here, not much saturation. People who are applying have hands-on knowledge on the SAS. Okay, and even as I say earlier, global SAS certification plays also important role sometime, so you can apply to the global SAS certification also after this course ends. Okay, even you will get a certification from our end. ISO certification is also you will get at the end of the course. Okay, so take the benefits of this course so that you can get learning on the SAS software from the day one itself. But make sure that you have laptop with you, because this is a technical software training, so you should have a laptop with you. Okay, and if you are doing BPharm or if you are doing any graduation or post graduation, still you can do this course. So I hope the queries will be solved. If you still have any query, call to this number. Okay, fill the Google form given in the description, or even you can ask in the comment box also. So hope you like this video, like this announcement. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. That's it from this video. Thank you, all the best.